Alright, I got 2 of these, so it's probably time to open up one. I'll open up this guy. Stuck right in there. You can see they got a little treasure hunt right there. Pretty cool. See right inside, looks pretty sweet. Nice little graphics. There's the back's actually got a bit of paste on it too, so it could be fast. So there we have it. Got the treasure hunt right there. So that's what you're looking for. This is old stock, so you probably won't find too many of these in the future. But just say you accidentally bought it. Nice.